Okay, watch it. This Brahma chicken's having fun in the sand. It's a very nice spring day here in Holland. And probably they want to dig into the sand. Maybe get rid of some parasites. The same behavior you see with horses rolling in the sand. The one on the right is the big female. She's older, and the two on the left are probably a male and a female, much younger. The older female is providing us with some eggs now, still. Approximately one every 2 days. But actually that's more than we eat. So when you're in the garden doing the barbecue and you have these chickens quite near, having fun, oh, it makes me feel good. It's just very relaxing. Okay, that's it for now. Take care. Bye bye.